Hello everyone, it's Jim Castor, KF4LYE. Welcome back to the Ham Radio Lab. Today's episode we're going to be creating a Debian installer, and it's going to be an internet install. That's the easiest way to get it from Debian. To get the full image is difficult. What I'm going to be using today to install this, I'm going to be using this USB drive. So 32 gigabyte Kingston. Should be more than plenty to be able to download the Debian install image. And what I've noticed, you click on this download here, it automatically starts the download of the install image for the internet install. I don't know what's going on here. Shoot. From what I can tell here, every time I clicked on it, it downloaded again. Looks like this one just didn't want to download. The other two images should be good. Well, the next thing we need to do, we need to download Belina Etcher. Let's see how much of a pain this is going to be. I've already got the let's see how long this is going to take. Alright, it took maybe a couple minutes. I was kind of distracted when it finished, so I didn't quite catch the end. So if you don't mind, like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. And well, this is going to be a short video, so I guess we'll see you on the next one.